In this tutorial, I will show you the easiest and most straightforward way to render a wireframe in Blender. While there are many methods, this approach is the simplest. Start by adjusting your camera, then keyframe a 360-degree rotation on the Z-axis and change the interpolation to linear. Then duplicate the entire collection. Hide the original mesh. If there are any modifiers on the mesh, apply them first. If you have a subdivision and don't want a dense wireframe, remove the subdivision. Select the mesh and press Ctrl+J to merge it. Then add the wireframe modifier to the object. Remove all the materials from the wireframe. And finally, unhide the original mesh. And that's it. Follow these steps to showcase your topology with a clean wireframe render in Blender.